Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices slipped to end last week, weighed down by a stronger US dollar and signs of progress in US-EU trade negotiations that dented safe haven demand. The US dollar index rebounded from a more than 2-week low. The US dollar advanced on Friday, bolstered by solid economic data that suggested the Federal Reserve could take its time in resuming interest rate cuts, while tariff negotiations showed more clarity that eased some uncertainty in the market. Oil prices eased and settled at a 3-week low as traders worried about negative economic news from the US and China and signs of growing supply. Losses were limited by optimism US trade deals could boost global economic growth and oil demand.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.